Welcome to JH. In this tutorial, I will show you how to modify your Microsoft Teams display name. Your display name is how you represent yourself to colleagues and clients within the application. You might need to update it due to a name change or simply to make yourself more recognizable to your coworkers. Regardless of the reason, adjusting your name is a very simple process that I will guide you through step by step. To start, open your favorite web browser and head over to the Microsoft Teams website. Once there, find the Sign In button and click it. You will be asked to enter your account credentials, so go ahead and log in to gain access to your Teams dashboard. Once you are signed in, navigate to the top right corner of your screen where your profile photo is located. Click on that image to open your account options. This area is where all your personal settings are managed, offering a quick way to change your account details. After clicking your profile photo, look for the Edit or Pencil icon, which indicates where you can make changes. Click on this icon to open the name editor. Now, you will see your current name and other profile details. To update it, click on the name field, erase the existing text, and type in your new name. Take a moment to verify the spelling so everything looks correct. Finally, once you have entered the new name, locate the Save button and click it to confirm the changes. This will update your display name throughout the Microsoft Teams platform. Please remember that it might take a few minutes for the update to sync across all areas, especially if you belong to many large teams or groups. If you are looking to make a bigger change, such as updating the email address linked to your account, you may need to follow extra steps or contact your IT department. That is how you change your display name in Microsoft Teams. This small adjustment helps ensure you are recognized instantly in chats and meetings. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, please like and subscribe for more tips on working smarter with your digital tools.